How can you turn a single YouTube video into a 90K goldmine in just 9 months? The secret lies in mastering the art of content creation and promotion. Imagine having a video that not only captivates viewers, but also rakes in substantial earnings. By choosing a high-demand niche, optimizing your video for search engines, crafting eye-catching thumbnails, and leveraging social media, you can make this dream a reality. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting, these strategies can elevate your channel to new heights. Ready to transform your content into a cash cow? Let's uncover the steps to make it happen. Choose a high-demand niche. If you want your YouTube video to really take off, you need to find a topic that people are super excited about. Think about it like this. Imagine you're at a party and everyone's buzzing about the same thing. That's the kind of topic you want for your video. Start by checking out what's trending right now. Are there any hot topics or emerging trends that everyone is talking about? These could be anything from the latest tech gadget to a new fitness craze. But here's the catch. It's not just about following the crowd. You want to find a spot where you can offer something fresh and unique, something that makes your video stand out. Look for areas where there might not be a lot of competition. Maybe there's a question people are asking that hasn't been answered yet, or perhaps there's a new angle on a popular topic that hasn't been explored. Remember, the goal is to create content that not only attracts views, but also keeps viewers coming back for more. So, take your time, do your research, and find that sweet spot where your interests and audience demand meet. Make your video easy to find. Alright, so you've got your amazing video idea, but how do you make sure people actually find it? That's where video SEO comes in. Think of it like this. If your video were a book in a giant library, you'd want it to be on the front shelf where everyone can see it, right? To make that happen, you need to optimize your video for search engines. Start by using tools like VidIQ to help with your video's title, description, and tags. These tools are like your secret weapons, helping you choose the best keywords that people are searching for. A good SEO score is like a big neon sign pointing people to your video. Aim for a score above 70% to really boost your visibility. And remember, you're not just doing this for the search engines, you're doing it for your viewers too. A catchy title and clear description help viewers understand what your video's about and why they should watch it. So, take a few extra minutes to get your SEO just right. It can make all the difference in getting your video noticed. Make thumbnails that grab attention. Imagine walking past a shelf full of books. What makes you stop and pick one up? It's probably the cover, right? The same goes for your YouTube video. Thumbnails are like the cover of your video, and they're often the first thing people notice. So you want to make sure they're as eye-catching as possible. Creating a great thumbnail isn't just about looking pretty. It's about making people curious enough to click. Use bright colors, bold text, and intriguing images to catch the viewer's eye. Make sure your thumbnail tells a story or hints at what's inside your video without giving everything away. Think of your thumbnail as a billboard for your video. It should give viewers a quick snapshot of what to expect, making them want to click and learn more. A high click-through rate, CTR, means more people are clicking on your video, which can lead to more views, more engagement, and ultimately more ad revenue. So, invest some time in crafting a thumbnail that stands out and pulls people in. Use social media to boost your views. Want to get more eyes on your video? Social media is your best friend. Think of social media platforms as giant megaphones that help you shout your message to the world. By promoting your video on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok, you can reach a much bigger audience. Start by sharing snippets or teasers of your video to spark interest. People love to see what's happening behind the scenes, so share some fun or interesting moments from the making of your video. This gives your audience a sneak peek and makes them curious to see the whole thing. Engagement is key, so interact with your followers by asking questions, responding to comments, and encouraging them to share your video. The more you connect with your audience, the more likely they are to spread the word and help your video gain traction. Remember, the goal is to create a buzz around your video. Social media can amplify your reach, attract new viewers, and build a community around your content, so don't miss out on this powerful tool. Team up with influencers to grow your audience. Want to supercharge your video's success? Teaming up with influencers in your niche is a great way to do it. Think of influencers as friends who already have a huge group of people listening to them. When they talk about your video, their followers are more likely to check it out. Start by finding influencers who share your interests and have an audience that would enjoy your content. Reach out to them with a friendly message, explaining why you think a collaboration would be awesome. Be sure to highlight what makes your video special and how it aligns with their content. When an influencer shares your video or features you in their content, it's like getting a stamp of approval. Their audience trusts their recommendations, which boosts your credibility and reach. More people will watch, like, and share your video, leading to more views and engagement. Collaborating with influencers isn't just about promoting your video. It's about building relationships and connecting with new communities. So, reach out and start teaming up to make your video a hit. Boost your income with affiliate marketing. Imagine scrolling through your favorite videos and suddenly getting inspired by a product recommendation. That's the kind of impact you can have with affiliate marketing. It's like getting rewarded every time someone buys a product you recommend, adding an extra income stream to your channel, especially if your video gets a lot of views. Here's how it works. Find products or services related to your video content that you think your viewers would love. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or others related to your niche and get your special affiliate links. Mention these products in your video and share your links in the description. If your video is about tech gadgets, for example, you can talk about the latest gadgets and share links to buy them. When your viewers use your links to make purchases, you earn a commission on each sale. This strategy can really pay off, especially if your video goes viral and reaches a wide audience. It's a win-win. You provide value to your audience by recommending great products, and you get rewarded for your recommendations. So, start exploring affiliate marketing and watch your earnings grow. Connect with your audience. If you have just posted a video and the comments start rolling in, this is your chance to connect with your viewers and turn them into loyal fans. Responding to comments shows your audience that you care about what they think and value their input. It's like having a conversation with friends who are excited about what you're sharing. Ask for feedback to make your audience feel involved and appreciated. You can even ask them what they want to see next. This not only helps you improve your content, but also strengthens your bond with your viewers. Building a community around your content is key to creating long-term success. When people feel connected to you and your channel, they're more likely to share your videos with their friends, increasing your reach and potential earnings. Remember, it's not just about putting out great content. It's about making your audience feel like they're part of something special. So take the time to engage and watch your community and your channel grow. And there you have it. With these powerful strategies, you're well on your way to turning a single YouTube video into a 90K success story. Remember, consistency and creativity are your best allies. If you enjoyed these tips and want more insights on growing your online presence, make sure to subscribe to JumTalks. Hit that like button, share with your friends, and leave a comment below to let us know which strategy you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.